Say hello, Dustin. Come on, say hello. Say hello. Ababu. Ababu. Ababu.
It's another word we should try to teach him is the word hi.
Hi.
It's a fairly easy word to say. Hi.
Go talk to him. Talk to him.
Hi.
Talk to him, Dustin.
Say hi, I'm Destin.
Talk to him, Dustin. Talk to him. Talk to him.
Hi.
Hi.
Talk to him.
He looks like he's trying to get out.
Yeah, he is, actually.
Look at him.
He's like
Yes.
He's
squishy.
trying to get
I
out.
think I know what I want to teach him to say now. It's, hi, I'm Destin, Mama. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Say okay. You talking to him?
You talk to his baby.
Yeah, you try to talk to him? What you gonna say? Say something. Say something.
Look at those little feet.
Say something. Say something.
Yeah, I hope this little card will go into my printer upstairs.